How to find country settings on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find country settings on Android phone. First then open settings and then just scroll down until you find here system and updates, and then just click language, and here we'll find it language and region, or you can just type here. And here we'll find it language and region, click on it, and here we'll find the region, just click on it and click just select any country you want, and then just go back, it will be saved. And that's how to change country, how to find country settings on Android phone. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.